So you're also wondering what is fintech and why it is such a big deal or why it is so important these days? Hmm. Stay tuned for the answers. Hey everyone, welcome to FinTech Innovate. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the topic. So the full form of this word, fintech, is financial technology, and if you are thinking that by its name it looks like something about money and something about technology, then yes, you are right. Now, to understand it, we can go through several definitions of fintech, like go through Wikipedia or several other sites, but no, we are not gonna do that here because sometimes language on those websites are difficult to understand. So, what I'm gonna do is I will try to explain it to you so that you have a basic understanding of what it is, and then if you need further info on that, then of course you can go and check out it on Wikipedia or Investopedia or whichever site you prefer. Okay, so basically, fintech includes all those things which are associated with money or finance or use any kind of technology by one way or the other. Yeah, little bit heavy. So, simply, next time if you see something running on some kind of tech and by looking at it, money or finance comes into your mind, then it may be part of fintech. So, the next question is why? Why do we need fintech? The craze, yes, the craze of fintech started in 1990s when the internet and e-commerce business model arose, and due to global financial crisis of 2008, people lost their interest in traditional banking system. Security, transparency has become more important than ever. And due to that, new customized solutions and standard procedures such as providing access to internet, banking, payments, and transfer of money with just one click was made possible. And now the golden question, why you need to learn about it right now? And the answer is because it is everywhere. No, I'm not kidding. Just look around you. The bank in which you have an account use technology to provide you services like internet banking. The insurance company on which you have your policy use technology. The investment you made, it all happens on the internet. The stock trading, robo advisory, algo trading, quant trading, risk management, and many more. And the hot topic of now these days, cryptocurrency, bitcoins, altcoins. Yes, all of these are part of fintech. And with this, I hope you have some basic idea about what is fintech. And if you want to learn more about it, subscribe to my channel and make sure to click on bell icon to get notified about my new videos. And also, if you want to understand more about the topics which I mentioned in this video, like robo advisory, algo trading, cryptocurrency, then you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, of course. Till then, keep learning.